What is going on, everybody? It is your boy Evan Jones coming at you with a long overdue video. Oh, where do I begin? Well, I'm playing D&D, and right now my group is part of one of two groups in this campaign. There's a lot of people in this campaign. But last week was the first gameplay session where everybody was together. And boy, did shenanigans ensue. So, at the end of said session, this gentleman comes in to the guild hall and says, "I'm with a traveling arena." And so we all signed up for, some PvP. So now I am going to be making pretty much a traveling arena for this group. And I'm thinking I'm going to use it for my own campaign that I'm currently working on. So, come with me on this adventure, and I will show you how I will be making them. Alrighty, well, for the first step, we're going to be making a battle mat. I already got quite a few of these already made, so I'm just going to be using one of them. This one's half done. The other side already has a river section I was working on. So we're going to be using this. I asked one of the players, should I have a black grid system or a white grid system? He suggested white. So that is what we are going to do. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use white paint to pretty much primer, I guess, this side of the battle mat. This is a 2x2, so that should do for the session. Alright, now that both sides are done, what I'm going to be doing, take a ruler, or a tape measure, whichever, and I'm going to be marking 1 inch on all sides. Alrighty, we are back. As you can see, I decided to cheat just a little bit. I used little clothing needles and hooked the twine around each section, the 1 inch section, and just continuously made squares on each one, just making a square motion. So what I'm going to be doing after that is I'm going to lightly coat it, at least I think I'm going to say 3 times, with stone textured spray paint. That's the reason why I gave it a coating of white, to protect the foam from the spray paint. Also to make the outline of the grid I need. So I will go ahead and spray this down, and then I will come back. Okay, what I did Did pretty much the same thing on the other side, except I left the wire or the twine on and decided to flock it and see if that will work. Whee! Alrighty. You can see there is some vague semblance of a grid on it. You definitely see it on the camera. So that part is done. Now it's making the arena.